My name is Erin and welcome to today's Make a Monday session. Today we're going to be making a special rocket bookmark. Let's see what we need. So to make our rocket bookmarks, we will need scissors, some coloured paper, a pen to draw our shapes of our rocket, some glue, and a square piece of paper. Now if you don't have a square piece of paper, you can use an A4 page and just fold it, the corners, and then you can just chop off the excess. So to make our bookmark, first we're going to fold the square paper diagonally, and then we're going to crease the line. Then we're going to put our finger in the middle, bring up one edge to the corner of the top, and then do the same with the other side. Open that back up and fold, grab the top page, fold it down to the middle of the line, then bring your right corner up and fold underneath, and then do the same with the other side. Fold it up underneath. Now we've just made a nice pocket to put our book in. Now let's have a go at making the rocket. So to make our rocket, we need to cut out some different shapes. So I've just used some triangles, a rectangle, a couple of circles, and I've also made some flames down the bottom. So now I'm going to glue together the different shapes for my rocket. Now we've completed our rocket, let's glue it to our bookmark. So if we glue the back, then we're just going to line it up with the tip here. There we are. Let's test it out. Perfect. Thanks for joining me today for our Make a Monday session. Keep an eye out for more out of this world activities this month and contact us for more information. See you next time.